Based on precise intelligence inputs, North Tripura police intercepted a major smuggling attempt and seized a massive cache of illegal foreign cigarettes at the Laljuri checkpost. Police officials intercepted a vehicle with a registration number TR02N0726. A comprehensive search of the vehicle led to the discovery of 196 bundles of contraband cigarettes belonging to the international brand Mont.
Busuk rokan oro. Sakan kat lagi apa?
Following the search and counting, a total of 39,200 sticks of foreign origin cigarettes was recovered with an estimated black market value of 3 lakh rupees. The entire consignment and the transport vehicle have been confiscated under Section 106 of the BNSS. The successful raid was carried out under the critical operational leadership of Lovdev and Sudivnath, both serving at the Machmara PTA.
Ayo ro rigadi tola rigadi.
An official investigation has been initiated by the police department to track down the supply chain, identify the vehicle owners, and bring the suspects involved in this cross-border black market network to justice.
Clock dik. Nah.
Bureau report Chini Khurang.